That's why I'm not hanging up.
Okay, is that the Grosskreutz? Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
State of Wisconsin versus Gaige Grosskreutz, 21 CT 32, count 1, OWI second, count 2, operating with PAC second. This is the initial appearance. The case is assigned to Judge Davila in branch 1. There's no cash bail posted. There's also 20 TR 20971, refuse to take test for intoxication after arrest. Appearances, please.
Kelly O'Neill appears for the state via Zoom.
Mr. Grosskreutz appears in person with attorney Leah Thomas by Zoom. Good afternoon, Commissioner.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Mr. Is it Grosskreutz? Did I say that right?
Grosskreutz.
Kreutz. Okay, sorry about that. Today's your initial appearance. And let me just ask counsel, did you receive a copy of the criminal complaint and do you waive its reading in court today?
Yes, Commissioner.
And is your client's address correct on the complaint?
Your Honor, so this is a unique case. We actually previously filed a motion to redact his address. That motion includes his current address and has been sealed by the court.
All right, I do see that. And I didn't realize there was also the refusal. And had you also already filed your letter requesting a refusal hearing?
Yes, that has been filed timely by Mr. Grosskreutz.
All right, thank you. And Mr. Grosskreutz, as to the criminal case, today's your initial appearance and you've been charged in the complaint in count 1 with operating a motor vehicle while under the influence, second offense, and count 2 operating with prohibited alcohol concentration, second offense. They have the same minimum and maximum penalty each count. And that's where you could be fined not less than $350 nor more than $1,100 and imprisoned for not less than 5 days nor more than 6 months. Do you understand those are the minimum and maximum penalties if you're convicted of either count?
Yes, Commissioner.
And I did review the complaint and it does state probable cause. Now you do have a right to counsel and you are represented. And what's his plea at this time?
Not guilty.
And your not guilty plea will be entered today. And at this time, what's the state's recommendation as to bail?
The state would ask for a $2,500 PR bond, conditions of absolute sobriety, and no driving without a valid license. I will just note for defense counsel, quickly looking at the refusal in CCAP doesn't show that a letter's been filed, but I know with the sealing of the record, maybe something happened, but I just wanted to let you know to look at that court record.
I really appreciate that. Thanks, Kelly.
All right. So your recommendation was 2,500 PR?
It was.
All right, counsel as to bail?
We have no objection to that. Mr. Grosskreutz is responding to this summons today with counsel. He is currently in treatment and we wouldn't object.
All right, then sir, I will set your bail at the $2,500 personal recognizance bond. So that will be a signature bond. Also, as a condition of your bail, you cannot drive without a valid driver's license and you have to maintain absolute sobriety. Do you understand your bail, sir?
Yes, Commissioner.
All right, and I did check the refusal. I don't see it, counsel, the request for a refusal hearing uploaded. But I know you usually file those. So what I'll do is I'll just have make sure you can check to make sure that was uploaded. And then we'll set the refusal over with the OWI.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Just gonna mute my.
Council, we are looking at the week of March 8th.
Okay. Could we do the 9th in the afternoon?
Okay. Next court date as to both matters will be March 9th at 1:30 for a pretrial conference and status before Judge Davila in branch 1.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you, everyone. Have a good day. That concludes your initial appearance, sir.
Thank you, Commissioner.
Thank you.
All right, take care. Bye-bye. You guys, can you hold on 1 second before calling the next case? I have to answer a deputy's question.